What's up guys and welcome back to a brand new video. So day before yesterday Apple had another event this year, and the name of the event was One More Thing. It was a major event for Mac users. macOS Big Sur has finally been launched. So quite surprisingly, it wasn't launched after the event. They gave us the date, which is today, that is 12th of November. So today macOS Big Sur just dropped. That's enough talk about Big Sur. Now let's talk about how to install it on your Hackintosh. So what you need, first of all, you need a empty SSD or hard drive. This has to be done on a clean hard drive. If you need a dual boot guide, let me know in the comment section down below and you will have the guide within a week. And second, you need a pen drive which should be at least 16 GBs, because with macOS Catalina, Apple has broken their 8 GB setup barrier. So yes, you would need a pen drive that should be at least 16 gigabytes. One more thing before we start. So all the download links won't be in the video description, they would be in the Discord server. Discord is really simple to use and it allows me to give you all the updates as well as working EFIs as well as the news about the new updates that would be coming for macOS Big Sur. So it just takes 5 to 10 minutes to download Discord on your phone as well as your computer. So you have to download Discord, make an account, and there would be an invite in the video description. You have to click it and it would say inviting you to Mr. Gotno Live server. You have to click on accept. And one more thing, there would be a EFI channel. So I would request people who have installed macOS successfully on their builds to upload their EFI, and people that do upload will get the donor role in my Discord server, which will give them access to priority help or priority updates. So if a new version of macOS is to be dropped tomorrow, they would have the first working EFI before any forums. So yes, there would be a Discord link in the video description. Be sure you join the Discord server. So yeah, that's it. Let's get right into the video. We'll make the bootable USB and then install macOS on our Hackintosh. Okay, so we are in our Windows. First thing you need to do is go to video description, or if you are on my Discord server, the links should be here as well. First of all, the disk image. Download the disk image. This media file link right here. Click on download and let it download. I'll just pause it for now. Second thing you need is mini tool Partition Wizard. Download now again. It is downloading. You also require Explorer++. Download the 64-bit variant. And the last download, Balinature, would be in my Discord server as well. So you can click on it and click on download for Windows. So it is downloading. Once all the downloads are done, it's time to download the EFI folder. EFI folder should be in EFI bank. Here it is. Click on download. Keep anyways. Show in Finder. Right click on it and extract files. Click on OK and place this EFI folder inside the downloads. So now insert your USB. It should at least be 16 gigabytes. Double click on Balinature setup. Agree. Click on flash from a file. Locate the Big Sur image. If it is in a WinRAR format, first extract it, then you'll get the raw file. Now click on open. Select target, select your pen drive, select and click on flash. So this takes around 50 to 60 minutes depending upon your drive speed. So it's almost completed. So by the time it's validating, we can install rest of the softwares. First of all, mini tool Partition Wizard. Click on yes. Okay. Next. Accept it. And check this because we don't want to run it right now. Extract Explorer++ as well. Okay, so Flash has been completed. Close this. Now what you need to do is the mini tool Partition Wizard that we just installed, open it. So scroll down and you'll find your pen drive. You'll see the UEFI partition is not labeled. Right click on it, click on change letter, assign a letter that shouldn't interfere with any other assigned letter of any of your drive. So I'll use Z. Click on OK and click on apply. Click on yes. Click on OK. Exit. Now what you need to do is right click on Explorer++ and click on run as administrator. Yes. Now open two instances of Explorer++. In the first instance, open the UEFI of your pen drive, and in the second window, open the downloads where you have the UEFI provided in the video description. So copy this. Don't copy the folder, copy the inside UEFI folder and paste it. And click on replace the files in the destination. So guys, that's pretty much it. Now you can restart and we'll configure our BIOS and we'll proceed with the installation. Okay, now let's set our BIOS. First thing before we start, I need to mention that these are my settings. It's not compulsory that this should work for you. The working settings, the universal settings are given in the video description. So these you can just copy if you want to, if you are lazy, but if you want proper installation, the settings would be there in the video description. These are for reference only. The settings you should be copying are in the video description. Now in the boot menu, select UEFI partition with your drive name. Hit enter. Now select install macOS and hit enter. So our macOS installer is booting up. It will take some time. It is not as long as it used to take with Catalina, but with hard drives and USB 2.0 pen drives, it can still take 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so what you need to do now, click on disk utility. This part is really important. Click on view tab and show all devices so that you don't mess up the format part. As I told you earlier, you need a fresh hard disk or SSD to make it Mac ready. So I have already made my hard disk ready, but if you haven't, what you need to do is select the hard disk as a whole, not the partition. As a whole, click on erase, name it whatever you want. Under the format, select Mac OS Extended General and Scheme GUID partition map and click on erase. I won't do that as I have done it already because I already have macOS Big Sur on my hard drive. If you have a setup like me in which you have another partition for another version of macOS, what you can do is select the container, click on partition, select partition. Now click on add. Now you can do the disk allocation. I won't do that because I already have done it. So I have already created this Big Sur partition, but this is not it. Now you need to click on erase again to the partition and set it to APFS. This part is also really important because I don't know why, but when I tried HFS plus, it is not working. So you have to format the new partition you just created into APFS. Now install macOS. Agree everything, agree the license agreement. Now select the drive, which is Big Sur in my case, and install. So this will take another half an hour, so be patient. So once it's completed, again boot from your pen drive, and once you are in the open core, select macOS installer. Okay, so now the installer is on your hard drive and now it's installing properly. This takes another half an hour in case of hard drive and less time in SSDs. So yes, I'll get back to you once it's completed. Once this is completed, your PC will restart again, and in the open core you will find the partition in which you installed Big Sur. So Big Sur in my case, hit enter, and now you'll boot into Big Sur for the first time. It will take 5 to 10 minutes depending upon the drive speed, etc. So here we are. Select your country, click on continue, continue. Just go through the quick setup. It's just personalization and nothing more. So yes, I'll just skip through this part. Working just fine. Audio works, Ethernet works. To show you Ethernet works, I'll just open any random site. So yes, Ethernet works by default. Now what you need to do is download OC configurator. First link. Click on download. Allow. Double click on it. You get something like this. Click on OK. Go to settings, security tab. You can open anyways. Open. Now go to tools, mount UEFI. Mount your pen drive as well as hard disk's UEFI. Now copy your pen drive's UEFI to your hard disk's UEFI. So that is it. This will make our drive bootable. Now we no longer require the pen drive to boot into macOS. Our hard drive has the UEFI, and that's pretty much it. Once you reboot, you will see in your boot menu UEFI OS followed by your drive name like this, and when you select it, it will take you to open core. You need to select Big Sur and you'll boot into macOS without your pen drive. Okay, so this is it. We have installed macOS on our machine and the installation works just fine. The audio works, the Ethernet works, everything works as expected. So yes, I hope you have followed the guide through and have also installed macOS. If you haven't and you have any problems, all the problems would be taken care of in my Discord server. So if by any reason you're not able to join the Discord, you could leave a comment down below, but the Discord questions are my first priority and would answer them there as well. Plus my prelims are coming, so yes, my replies could be late or even delayed for a month. So I would be back on track after January and February or after my boards. So yes, so that is that. Guys, more than 90% of you are not subscribed. You watch my videos and don't subscribe. Guys, those TikTokers are getting millions of likes just lip syncing on the beat. I need my subs. I need 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, guys. If not, this guy right here, see him? What's his name, bro?
My name is Jeff.
This guy right here dies if you don't subscribe. I'm not promoting animal violence, but if you guys don't subscribe or join the Discord, subscribed? That's what I thought. So yes, so that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy hackintoshing. Peace.